So why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because you need to check on your mental health. Have you ever been so inspired, so genuinely inspired, eager to create content, to become a YouTuber, someday, today, any day, whenever, only to be struck down by life struggles? Whether that is personal issues, careers, trials and tribulations, balancing your hobbies with reality, then this video is for you. You see, the truth is, YouTube is a hard platform to be successful, to grow, to achieve. It requires some key steps that I'm going to tell you about. Whether you believe me or not, I'm going to share my personal experience with you, and you take it for what it is. Whether you're chasing monetization or life after monetization, these are key steps that if you follow, you will continue to grow and expand and be successful in your YouTube career. Step number 1, dedication. I've said this before, guys. You need to understand your niche or niche, whatever you pronounce it as. First, pick one. You don't have to go so small. Just pick one and work your way towards expanding it. But you do have to be dedicated, because it's not always going to be easy. You're going to get 0 views, 5 views, 10 views, even 100 views if you're lucky. Or you could get 1,000 right off the bat, or even more than that. But you never know. So if you're so deeply invested, so emotionally tied to a success, it can be very hard to fail and to know that the only way to get back up is to make more videos, more better videos, which takes time and dedication. So I'm telling you, the first key step is to be dedicated. Second key steps, consistency. You have to make better videos, yes, but you have to make them on a regular basis. For me, I would say make a video at least once every week. If you can do more than once, maybe shoot for twice a week. What I wouldn't do is make a video once a month. Because you need to understand something. If you're just starting out, or if you're a small channel, the YouTube algorithm is always trying to put the best videos out there. So, if you make a really, really good video one day, and you wait 2 or 3 months, maybe even a month, to make another video, well, all that success you got from that video, after a while, it kind of, diminishes, goes down. So you almost need something to come and restart that awakeness, that drive, to give your videos a boost. That's why you need to be consistent. Again, consistency is going to be hard. So go with whatever works for you. If it's twice a week, if it's once a week, pick one and stick to it. Third tip, research. Know your audience. Know your targeted audience. Know your niche. or niche. Don't get stuck in your own ways. If you like a certain thing, that's fine. But it's okay to also research, explore other avenues. Because you might be surprised that you actually do connect with something that you've never thought of before. But you never know until you do the work, you do the research. See what your viewers are watching, or what do they enjoy, and there are ways to find these stuff out. Analytics. If you're a small channel, or if you're new to YouTube, you might not have a lot of analytics to go to, or to go off based on what you're looking for. But that's a tool there to help you kind of be aware of what is working and what isn't working. And of course, stick with what is working. At least until you get monetized. And if you want to branch out a little bit, you can do that. But also be aware, if you started something based on a specific niche or niche, it might be best to stay with that targeted audience. Because again, these are people. If people subscribe to your channel for a specific content or a specific topic, then you might as well produce that topic or content that they subscribe to your channel for. That's just my experience, guys. So I gave you 3 examples of how to become not just successful, but how to be successful as a young, new YouTuber, or even a small channel, or even a larger channel. These are 3 key steps that works for anybody. I'm going to be very honest with you guys. YouTube is extremely hard. It's extremely hard to grow in this platform that requires these key areas in order to achieve them. To give you my personal example, I was so excited to finally have some time to get down to my basement and do batch content on a lot of ideas that I had in mind. I walked down to my basement. I already had my camera set up, my lights set up, ready to go, and the mics. And I had a nervous breakdown, guys. I honestly did. And I kept telling myself, I just can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. Prior to that, I was so pumped. But what I forgot to do was check with myself. Check on myself, I should say. I didn't know I was coming down with a cold because I've been so busy. And that day was like a day off for me. So I had more time to do YouTube and do personal things as well. And that's when it hit me. Like, I'm coming down with something because like, I don't want to do this. And I made the right choice at that time. I didn't do any content. I took care of my body, my mind, my soul, and saved it for another day. So why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because you need to check on your mental health. YouTube is amazing. It's fun. Hobbies are fun. But you gotta check on yourself. Make sure that you're right. I know it's hard. And for me, it was hard. And maybe I just needed that wake-up call to say, you know what? Let me take a step back. So like I said, YouTube is extremely hard, but don't give up. We're in this together, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and like, comment, share it. Let me know if you've gone through a difficult time. Let me know if you're a YouTuber trying to reach a targeted audience. What has been your success, your downfalls? Let me know in the comment section. Let's talk. And if you find this video helpful, let me know as well. Anyways guys, that's all I got for now. Don't forget to check out my next video right over here. I'll see you on the next one. Peace and love, we're out.